Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate the sum and the average of a set of assignment scores. Here on our document we have the students all along this column, and then along this row we have all of the assignments 1 through 6. Now, let's say we want the total number of points to go in this box, so we would simply just highlight it, just like so. Next, we go up to the sigma symbol, which is up here on the right hand side. We're going to left click that down arrow and we're going to select sum, because we want a sum of all of these scores for student number 1. Now, I've selected all of the scores that I want to have totaled, and if you notice, this is for B2 through G2, and if I have all the items selected, I will hit enter, and then it'll give me the total number of points, which is 507 points for student 1. Now, instead of doing that whole process over and over and over again for every single student, what I will do is I will click the cell that already has the formula in it, and then I will hover over the cell into the bottom corner until I have a solid black arrow showing. I'm going to grab it with my left click of my mouse and I'll pull it down to fill in the rest of the areas, and now I have the total number of points for every single student in the class. Next, we're going to figure out the average. And as you know, the average score would be like a final grade. And so we're going to figure the final grade for student number 1, for student number 1 in assignments 1 through 6. So, we highlight the cell just like we did before with the sum, and then we're going to left click the sigma symbol again, and we're going to go to average. Average will automatically give us the formula and the selected cells that we would like to average. So if those are the cells that we want to average, we will hit enter, and then it shows us the average score for student number 1. Now what I'll do is I will highlight that student, or that score, sorry, and then I will hover over the bottom corner where I can have the black solid X or plus sign again, pull it all the way down, and then we filled in the rest of the scores for every single student for their final grade as well. Thank you.